What's happening there, guys? Now today we're going to do something horrifically stupid. We are going to cut up a MK1 RS Splitter to fit on my car. Now this is either going to go one of two ways. It's either going to look really good, or we're going to use my shit ability of measuring, which isn't the best, and we're going to fuck it up. Hopefully it's not the latter. Hopefully it will look really good. But there's only one way of finding out. We'll go down my garage and we'll get one of my collection bumpers out of there to measure it up with. A bit more measuring on the front of mine. But measure twice, cut once, and hopefully, I'll pray to God, because I don't want to cock this up, 0 fuck ups. Measure twice, cut once, forget that. Measure 7 times and then cut it once. So as you can see, we've got quite a lot of shit. A couple of things we do have is a couple of collection bumpers. In between that, there is a load of shit. I know what you're thinking. Why don't I just measure it up against my collection bumper? That involves jacking it and taking it off and flipping it upside down, because we've got to cut the MK1 RS Splitter. So I thought it'd be easier to come down and get one of our spare collection bumpers, measure it up, and then I don't have to take mine off, because I can measure it all on this, get it all sorted on this, and then just screw it up to mine, and then I'll be happy. Alright, so after measuring it, and I've drawn the line there to go obviously around this side of the bumper, around the back, and then the same on that side. It just needs sanding down. There's a chunk missing there. I don't know what's happened with that bit. We'll get the hacksaw out and we'll start chopping it. Alright, so I've been in the garage for like, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes. And although I've done the measurements, I haven't got a hacksaw in the garage. But I think I've got one at home. And like an idiot, I left without it. Right, I've cut it. Now what I need to do is paint it and then let it dry, and then we'll throw it on the car. Let's get the wrap cans out. Right guys, what I've done is I've let it dry overnight, and it's not came up too bad, to be honest. But it did rain in the middle of last night, and although the sun's out now, it's a bit damp. But I'll show you it, and then we'll throw it up on the car. Hopefully it'll look alright. Just the Dremel. So this is before fitting the splitter. So this is before, and this is after fitting the splitter. Right, that's it for this video guys. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to help the channel, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you thought cutting up the RS splitter was a good idea. It turned out great, and I'll see you guys on the next one.